My name's Adam Waite. I'm milking 680 cows. We've been here for 4 years. It's the start of May at the moment, so grass is sort of slowing down a wee bit. We're prepping our cows to be put onto fodder beet. So every year we have an annual audit. Generally we get into the cow shed about a month before with scrubbing brushes, cold water, and it's a real laborious task. And I just sort of thought our guys have got better time to spend out in the farm rather than on the end of a scrubbing brush. Our cow shed's quite old, it's 30 odd years old, so it's got plenty of grime. So I thought, look, let's make the job easier. We'll look at something that's got a bit of pressure behind it and some heat. We had looked at other steam cleaners. We had borrowed and hired ones in the past just to do a yearly spruce up on the machinery and calf rearing gear. The standout sort of features of the Kranzle would be it's just plug and go. We run it up with a bit of cold water and then turn the burner on. Within about 30 seconds the hot water's coming through, so the guys are away in quick smart time. Same with packing it down, run a bit of cold water through it, unplug it, wind up the hose and put it back into the cubby. It's really important to us that our staff can get on the machine and use it, and we find it's very simple and easy to set up. Definitely once a week, you know, depending on what's happening on the farm. If we bring some vehicles in, motorbike, as I said, we're going to look to use it over calving time. We can bring the calf feeders over, give them a spray out, and then yeah, just sort of keep on top of that cow shed maintenance so it doesn't take 4 or 5 hours once a year.